Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add sound effects to Google Slides. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google. Then tap on 9 dots and open Google Slides. Now open up the presentation and the page where you want to actually add a sound effect. Once you have opened the presentation, you can just go to YouTube and search for the sound effect that you might want. Then just copy the URL like this. Once copy the link, just come back to the presentation. Then click the Insert button that you can find from the top left, and then over here you simply want to select this option called Video. Now over here you paste the URL that we copied and then just hit the search button. Then the video will load up. Now one thing you can do is just resize this video to a small portion where it will not be visible in the presentation. Keep in mind that there isn't a complete way to hide it, but you can at least choose to make it very, very small so that it will not be visible. Once you've done that, on the right hand side as well, you can also select when do you want to play. You can select play on click or play automatically or play manual depending upon what you'd want to do. Then you can also choose to edit the start, and the end you can choose to mute the audio, but of course we don't want to do that because we want the effect. Once we've done that, we can move on to the next slide and then repeat the process. This way you can add a sound effect to your Google presentation. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.